Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about functional interface. Functional interface is nothing but where only one abstract method should be there. In Java there are multiple interface which is inbuilt by Java. One of those are functions, predicate, supplier, then y functions, etc. There are multiple ones. Today we will check about functional interface, and in that there is one concept, that is function. So function is also interface, and that is functional interface, and it has apply method which has one input type and one is return type. We'll check how it works. So we'll first check like function. Function has some method, that is apply method, and if we check this function interface, then it has the functional interface. You can see here it has been annotated as a functional interface, and it has a generic type where we have defined t and r. So t is nothing but, if you see here, then t is nothing but the input of the function. So it is the return type of it is the input type of the functions, like t is the type and r is the return type of the this function. So you see here r is the return, this is the return type, this whatever type we will define, that will be the return type, and apply is the method name, and t is the type of input type. So and whatever variable we will put, it will come here. Here we will check like how to parse the string to double. We will check here. So for this, if you will have the string value and we want to parse it into the double, then double will be the return type, so we will put it as a double here. So what we will name this variable as a function. How to parse this particular thing? We have any string and we should have to parse that particular thing. For that we'll take one variable, that is a, and using the arrow function we have a, and we will use the double dot parse double method. There is method reference, one more thing is called the double method reference. So we can do this thing using the method reference also, but here we will check for just now for double dot parse double method. This is the generic function we will created, and function has that method. When we have to convert this, then we have to pass some input parameter. Then how can we do this thing? Using the function, that is the variable, and the apply method is there. So using the apply method we will pass some value. So value should be inside the string. So if you will pass the string 6 and we want that particular things to be converted into double, then we will check that apply method and pass the parameter. So you see here it is type of string here. If you see here, then it is the type of string as a input, and return type is double. So what we will do, we will convert this return type to the double, and double variable is equal to double. So this way we can do this thing. This where this will convert this particular function into uh, double. So we'll check double value of string 6 is where. So this way we can do this thing. So if we run this particular program, then it will be 6 will be converted to the 6.0. You can see here in the output box. See, 6 has been converted to 6.0. It is in the double format. And one more way, using the lambda method reference. So using the method reference, it will be directly, we don't need a arrow function and all these things. for this particular. So we directly call this is called double colon is a method reference. So using this method reference we can also convert this thing. So this way we can do the functional interface and using the functional. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video.